Hi friends! Mid-Autumn Festival, also known as Zhongqiaoji, is coming soon. For those of you who are not familiar with Mid-Autumn Festival, it's a Chinese festival celebrated at the end of the autumn harvest season. It's all about appreciating the full moon and family reunions. You will see people gifting each other mooncakes and strolling the streets with their beautiful and bright lanterns. So today, let's make a cute lantern together. I hope this video will inspire you to make your own lantern too. First, spread and flatten the air-dry clay so that it's wide enough to cover the surface of the ball. Air-dry modeling clay is very soft and easy to spread with your fingers, which makes it great for child-friendly projects. It's fine if the surface is not smooth. It looks more like the moon with its rough surface. You can also use a brush or an old toothbrush to add more texture. To make craters, use a round stencil to cut out some holes. And with the cutout clay, roll them into circles and gently flatten them. Then cut out the middle bit. And now you have some craters. Press down gently to make sure all the parts are sticking properly. Let's test out the different light settings. And as always, thank you for being here. I hope this video has inspired you to make your own moon lanterns. Bye!